Welcome to Day 8 of our AVEEROS Financials tutorial series. In our previous session, we covered the core accounts receivable transactions like invoices, receipts, credit memos, and write-offs. Today, we shift into more advanced yet commonly encountered AR scenarios, including managing customer advances, applying prepayments. These functions are essential to ensure proper customer account management and accurate revenue recognition in your financial records. Let's begin with receiving in advance when a customer pays upfront before receiving goods or services. To record in advance, 1. Navigate to Transactions, then Receivables, then Receipt. 2. After pressing New button, select the appropriate customer, for example, S00001. 3. Choose Advance as the document type. This ensures the payment is treated as a prepayment and not a standard receipt. 4. Choose the payment method such as Allied Bank. 5. If using a check, enter the check number and bank details, for instance, Allied Bank, check number 2255336. 6. Enter receiver person, for example ABC person. 7. Enter the advance amount, say PKR 25,000. 8. Review the entry date and the posting date, example May 8, 2025. This allows flexibility if you're recording backdated or postdated transactions. 9. Under Segments, select the region, let's say North Region, and location, head office, then select the department, Sales and Distribution, and lastly select City, Lahore. 10. Click Save. 11. Upon saving, voucher will appear to view and print. 12. Now go to Print Receipt Document. Posting Advance Receipt. Go to Transaction, then Daily Posting, then go to Accounts Receivable tab. Then click on Receipt and then select Customer Code from For Customer Selection. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select From. Select Customer S00001 in Customer Select To. Then press Show button. Then select the receipt from the list to post and then press Post button. Then click OK. Now let's move on to applying in advance to an invoice once the goods or services have been delivered. To apply a prepayment, navigate to Transactions, then Receivables, then Receipt. 1. Press New button. 2. Select the customer, such as S00001 Sultan Khan. 3. Select the document type, Apply Document, that you wish to apply on invoice. 4. Choose the document number to apply on the invoices. 5. Then choose the invoice from below list you wish to apply advance. 6. Enter the amount in current payment column, as it can be full or partial. For example, apply PKR 3,000 out of a PKR 25,000 advance. 7. Don't forget to select the segments. Under Segments, select Location, head office, and the region, let's say North Region, then select the department, Sales and Distribution, and lastly select City, Lahore. 8. Click Save. 9. Upon saving, voucher will appear to view and print. To summarize, today we covered important aspects of managing complex customer transactions in accounts receivable, how to receive and record advances, how to apply prepayments to invoices partially and fully. Mastering these processes ensures your customer ledgers stay clean and your books stay balanced, especially when dealing with project-based work or upfront customer payments. In our next session, Day 9, we'll shift our focus to the Accounts Payable (AP) module, starting with vendor setup, invoice recording, and managing supplier payments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.